Hey there campers, Carl from Pete's RV Center here, inviting you down to our Plainville, Massachusetts store for our Rolling into Spring sale going on May 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Make your way on down, check out hundreds of RVs on the lot, both at our dealership and at our Field of Dreams, and find the perfect one to kick off your camping season this Memorial Day. So folks, make your way on down. We've got unbelievably low prices on brand new 2019 models. We've got unbelievably low prices and liquidation pricing on our overstock and used items as well. We want to see those off the lot. So come on down. We're also going to be providing you lunch so you can enjoy your first meal in your new RV on Saturday and Sunday. So along with that, people also have some great things to take advantage of. Not only years of experience and a great sales staff, but we're also giving away either a free hitch or a free 50-inch TV to those of you that purchase a new travel trailer, and a $500 gas card to those of you that purchase a brand new motorhome. And that's going to be a great way to kick off your camping season. Along with that, while you're there, you've also got your chance to win a $500 gift card to our store and get any of the RVing supplies that you need for the season coming up. So make your way on down, folks. Plainville, Massachusetts, Pete's RV Center. That's where you're going to want to be for our Rolling into Spring sale. We can't wait to see you there, and happy camping.